Right way to use Chefmate KS100 Smart Nutrition Scale. Flip the scale and remove the plastic strip from the battery compartment. Your scale is now ready to use. Place the scale on a flat and stable surface. Avoid using it on cloth, mats, or near airflow for accurate readings. Tap the tare/power button to switch on the scale and ignore the first reading shown. Press the unit button to choose your preferred unit like grams or milliliters. Place your food item on the scale to check its weight instantly. Smart features and app setup. Track your daily calorie intake and monitor nutrition with ease. The Smart Scale works with the FitDays Plus and NutriDays apps and supports a built-in database of hundreds of food items. Download the app from the Play Store or App Store and log in. Select Kitchen Scale from the available devices and make sure the scale is switched on for successful pairing. Once connected, your Smart Scale is ready to use. Calorie tracking and food logging. Open the app and select My Scale. Tap on measurement and set your daily calorie target. Choose your meal type like breakfast, lunch, snacks, or dinner. Tap Add Food and select your food item from the database with support for up to 999 food items. Place the food item on the scale to view its nutritional composition. Tap Save and then Complete to store the data. The app will instantly display calories, protein, fat, and carbs. That's it. Your Smart Nutrition Scale is ready for accurate and healthy tracking.
Thank you.